All right, well, let's do this. Let's get going on it. Let me move that back out a little bit.
Yep.
Now, I don't know how these go. I just make the assumption that that's how these go on here because it makes sense.
Yep.
But I have to see what the bottom of your battery looks like. Actually, tip that up. Tip it up a little bit. Oh, yeah, it's on the cart. It can't move off the cart. It can't fall off the cart.
Well, yeah. Okay.
That's what I'm saying. All right, so let's get this apart then. I know.
You do that? Okay.
I know. Where's my screwdriver? Oh my god, never mind playing with the damn dog. it's what a puss nut.
Huh?
You heard me.
Give her pets.
Playing with the damn dog.
Give her pets.
Uh-huh.
She needs pets.
Oh yeah.
Where are we?
I don't know, just sit on the floor right here. Get out of the way for a moment. Stay out here. Go ahead.
Oh, good.
Same thing.
On top?
Yeah. They're designed for that. Yes.
3-1.
Yeah, let's put a power inverter here.
And that's rated how many pounds?
What? This? 2,000.
Okay.
Nice. I made sure of that. Give me a connector over there.
Connector? Lead?
Connector, big one. And the other four, the little fours. Yeah.
Puppies?
Did you say hush puppies?
Those puppies?
Um,
Those?
yeah, it's the 01, 02. But then this one's 01 in the front and 02 in the back. I don't understand that, but. And these little notches on the inside, I don't know what those are for. So,
Let's try it, I guess.
yep, let's just try setting one on top.
Should have done the inverter.
Now we gotta make sure you lift it and not drag it across it. And set it right down in the middle. Back more?
Yeah, hang on, I'm not there yet.
Okay.
Sorry.
I'm gonna say they might, yeah, they're gonna fall. Just hold it there.
Yeah, this one fell too. I got it.
Right?
Yeah, I guess.
And then square it.
I'm not even, mine aren't even on.
I know, neither am I. I'm just trying to feel where. See, it's gotta go down inside of it somehow. Oh, how'd that go?
YouTube?
Yeah, because there's no place for this to go. Alright, yeah, let's move this back down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's no place for them to go. Like, this little groove, there's nothing there. Unless, oh, wait a minute, maybe.
That pointed too. You think that, wait, look.
No. No, there's no place for it to go. No, hold that for a second. I'll show what's going on.
There's no way. They're gonna make it this hard. Nope. Oh, Lord.
Yeah, there's a hole there, but that's not big enough for the groove. Huh.
YouTube's?
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, out your stack inverter.
So after doing a little research online, obviously, because I lost my manual and I didn't feel like looking up the manual, found this is how it actually mounts. When you put an inverter on top of another battery, you have to use the base unit here, you know, the base cart that comes with it. And then these mounts, they screw in and mount right there. Now I lost the original screws, but it's a 10 millimeter. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's an M6 with a 10 millimeter head. And it just fits perfectly in there. So, nice and solid mounting. So yeah, we're gonna get this flipped over and get it on top there and get them back together and see how this all works out.
Stack them up and get you 12 freaking thousand watts.
Yeah.
That makes way more sense.
You see now it fits?
Yeah, perfect. Go anywhere. Shit. There's battery.
Yeah, let me see, I won't put it. Yeah. Yep, that makes a lot more sense. This way. Ow! Damn it. No, it's gotta come this way, son. Push it towards me. Oh, hold on. You gotta lift and push. I don't think that's.
Out?
Are you in? Because it doesn't.
I don't think I was.
Oh, I guess it is. I can't really tell. Yeah, I guess it feels like it is. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, okay.
It's just on like a.
Yeah, I mean, it feels wobbly because of the rubber things down there.
It's not going anywhere.
Yeah, no, it's not going anywhere. It's locked in pretty solid.
This side screen, okay.
Yeah, it's neat.
And it's got airflow back here.
It doesn't feel like it's in there, though. This side does. Well, I guess it is.
She ain't going anywhere.
No, it's fucking solid, so I have to grab it from this side.
Not heavy at all.
No. 120 pounds, whatever these are. There we go. I wasn't in the groove there.
I'm not in it yet, am I?
Yeah, you are. Well, it looks like it is. Yeah, it's in.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's definitely in. Alright. Oh, we still have the battery.
And then this thing hurt light.
Okay, hold on. We gotta do something different here. Because I can't be in that corner and lift like that.
Yeah.
So. Okay.
Cool. Move her off.
Can't be my walkway. Sorry. I'm not stepping with that motherfucker. Alright, so yeah, just like that.
Big lift here, ready?
Yeah. One.
Yep.
I need to see. Yeah, makes more sense. 1,
Yep.
2, 3.
God.
Yep.
Maybe under a.
Oh god, dog hair. Right in the face. Right in the damn face. There you go, that's it.
Okay.
Whew!
Got any wipes? I'll wipe it down real quick.
I don't care. It's going in the closet anyway. Fucking out of me.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, god, this feels so light now.
I know.
Now we're backwards.
Yeah, so. Reverse. Got it?
Yep. Push up from the bottom.
That's easy.
That was much better. That was much easier at least. Holy flying fuck bag. Good thing you're not moving anywhere. Oh.
Are we backwards? Are we backwards?
Yeah, this top two are backwards.
Oh no.
You fucking suck. I'm like, there's no outlets there.
Well, wait, the branding is on the.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Oh, it's on both sides. Those fuckers.
Well, yeah, the branding's on both sides. That is, but it says right on the top. Oh my god. Alright. I don't even take them off.
No?
No, we should be able to pivot them while they're up there.
Well,
Lift from the battery.
Well, we can spin this one, but this one we can take off. It's light.
Well, it's not that light, but.
Good. Now we'll pivot this one.
God, that sucks. Alright, I'm going this way. I'm going this way.
Okay.
What are you doing? You go that way. That's what a pivot is.
Oh.
Spin. There we go. There you go. Okay.
Hold up.
Yeah, lift. Try not to drag it. There you go. There we go.
Alright. Fuck. Excuse my French.
Yeah, whatever. That's French?
Yeah.
Well, now I have to spin that around.
Okay.
That sucks.
I maybe up under like this, all the way up.
I'm just got my hand underneath it. It's easier that way. You're not in.
There we go.
There we go.
Got it locked in. Power. Battery. Oh, so it reverses. Hang on.
Yeah. Always start with the top. Perfect. Huh?
Oh, because this is going out of high beam. This is going out of this.
Yeah, it'll come out of there.
Gotcha.
Right, on the cable arrives.
Gotcha. Am I showing? Where's it showing?
It doesn't matter. Alright.
Now I gotta try to wheel this bad boy.
Oh, it moves easy. It's crunch really. Pretty good. Thank God to the big wheels, you know. I can't tell. Am I close to the wall there? Oh! That hurt. Oh! Yep. Sorry, YouTube. That hurt. I can't see the...
You're not gonna hit on my side, but you're gonna run over the cable. Okay. Let's back them up. Wow.
Well, I have to pull that out anyway to plug in the cable, so that's no big deal. That's on. That should
That was real fan.
turn on. That should switch over in just a moment. Connecting. Yep, it's connected. Okay, good. Alright. Oh, that was a lot of fun. Alright. So there we go. 6 batteries, 2 inverters, all stacked.
1200 watts. 1200 and something watts. No, 14
Should be
40?
Yeah, give or take, yeah.
peak.
14,000, not 1,400. Yeah. Yeah, so that, and obviously 6 batteries, so what, 36 plus kilowatts now?
Yeah.
Give or take, kind of thing. As soon as the other cable shows up. Alright, so that. Yep, okay, well, it's back in there. Everything's good. Yep, alright, we'll see how that works out.